Hi and welcome to this tapping video. You're with me again, Janine, Change for Success. So today we're going to help you let go of anxiety. Anxiety is huge, not helped by what we've been going through recently. So would you like to feel in a more calm and relaxed space? Does anxiety plague you a lot? Maybe it's lower level anxiety, maybe it's anxiety that's stopping you from doing things or enjoying your life, getting the best that you can from life. So when we feel in a state of anxiety, we usually feel that somewhere in our body. So really notice with yourselves for a moment where you normally feel that anxiety in your body. It might be your stomach, your chest, somewhere else, and notice how that makes you feel. Notice the thoughts that go on. Notice how you feel within yourself. Notice what it prevents you from doing. Really get into that feeling for me for a moment. Notice how anxious you're feeling right now, maybe on a scale of 0 to 10. 10 feeling really anxious, there's a lot going on for you. Height of anxiety and 0 being no anxiety at all. And maybe just give that a number for a moment. It's really good to measure this stuff so we can measure this as we're kind of doing the work. So just taking care of yourself, I want you to start tapping with me on the side of the hand, just a couple of fingers there on the side of the hand, and just simply follow this tapping in the video and just follow what I say and notice how this feels for yourself, okay? So even though I've got all this anxiety and it feels really familiar, I want to be open to letting some of that go today. And instead, I choose to accept me now anyway. Maybe let go of stop beating myself up. All these feelings of anxiety. And it just takes over my mind and body. What if I could let some of that go? Instead, choosing to feel more calm and relaxed. And I choose to accept me now anyway. All this anxiety, and I can feel it in my body, and it takes over my life sometimes. Going to be open to letting some of that go, and I choose to love and accept me now anyway, and maybe anyone else that might be involved. That's good, just going around the points. All this anxiety, and I'm feeling so anxious right now. All this anxiety. And it feels so familiar. It takes over my body. Just noticing particularly where I feel it in my body. Noticing these feelings that I feel when I get this anxiety. All these thoughts that I think. All this anxiety taking over my life. All this panic. All this dread. And it just affects me in so many ways. Stops me from living my best life. It just totally gets in the way. It feels like I'm the only one out there. Everyone else looks like they're doing okay. It feels like it's just me. All this anxiety. All this panic. And I can feel it in my body. And sometimes it might be really strong like today, or other times. Other times it's like this low level anxiety, it just never seems to go away. Whatever's right for me, I want to be open to letting it go today. I want to be open to letting go whatever's right. I don't want to let this anxiety control me anymore. I don't want to let this anxiety take over. I feel like it's controlling my life. I want to start to be in control. Just imagining how I want to feel. I want to feel more calm and relaxed. I want to feel more in control. I want to be in control of this. I don't need these anxious feelings. I want to be open to letting go. Even if it's just for a short while today. Just getting into these feelings now. Tapping into feelings of calm and relaxed. Tapping into feelings of happiness and freedom. I don't want to let this anxiety overtake me anymore. I want to be in control. Imagine what life would look like without this anxiety. Imagine all the things that I could do. So tapping into feelings of happiness, freedom. What if I could just choose to know that I'm in control? I'm in control of my thoughts, my feelings, not anything outside of me. So what if I could be open to letting go of this anxiety? Tapping into feelings of calm and relaxed. Relaxed and calm. Calm and free. And it feels so good. Just to know that I can be open to letting go now. Within every single cell in my body. All the way back from my past. That's excellent. Well done. Take a nice deep breath for me. Breathe out. And again, just want you to check in with how you feel. Just maybe close your eyes for a sec. Check in with that number. The plan is that it's gone down. And now I want you to repeat this video. Repeat this as and when necessary. It's not about just doing this for 5 minutes. Make this part of your day. Integrate it into your day. You will notice big changes. I want you to let me know how you get on. Maybe in the comments, drop me a message. And thanks for joining me. And take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.